I'm Greg Bluestein. I'm the Atlanta Journal-Constitution's political reporter, but of late I've become also, just like the rest of the newsroom, coronavirus reporters. We are standing outside the Georgia Capitol for the first in-person press conference that Governor Kemp has had in weeks because of the coronavirus pandemic, and he announced a pretty major development here.
Tomorrow, I will sign a statewide shelter-in-place order, which will go into effect on Friday and run through April 13, 2020. This date is in line with our public health emergency order.
Second major piece of news was the governor also ordered that schools would remain closed for the rest of the year. That's K through 12 public schools in Georgia.
As you know, over the past 48 hours, the modeling and data has dramatically changed for Georgia and many other states around the country. The CDC has announced that individuals can be infected and begin to spread coronavirus earlier than previously thought, even if they have no symptoms. From a public health standpoint, this is a revelation and a game changer. In addition, new models show that Georgia will need more time to prepare for hospital surge capacity, and while we are making excellent progress with our team, we have got to be more aggressive. For those reasons, and in accordance with Dr. Toomey's recommendation, I will sign an executive order today closing K through 12 public schools for the rest of the school year. I want to stress that online learning will continue.
Governors faced intense pressure to take these steps from both sides of the aisle. House Speaker David Ralston, Republican, has urged him to institute a shelter-in-place. Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms has said that she would have instituted a shelter-in-place days ago. So this comes after intense pressure. The governor has always said that he's considering that option, but he has more arrows in the quiver. Well, today he used that arrow from his quiver, a pretty big arrow, to institute the order. The next step is on Thursday. The governor will specify in an executive order exactly how the shelter-in-place order will look, what will be exempted, what will be included, what people can do and what people can't do. But he also warned that state law enforcement officials will be actively enforcing this ban.
The reality is, if you do not comply, you are violating the law and you will be facing stiff penalties. Even worse, you are literally endangering the lives of those around you, your loved ones, and all fellow Georgians.
For now, I'm Greg Bluestein for the Atlanta Journal-Constitution.